hurricanes. Hurricanes are very strong storms that form over the oceans. These powerful storms bring heavy rains. They also have strong winds that cause huge waves. Most hurricanes stay over the oceans. These hurricanes are not very dangerous, but hurricanes that strike them can do much harm. How does a hurricane form? Summer and fall are times of the year when hurricanes are born. Most hurricanes start as groups of small storms far out in the ocean near the equator. This part of the world is called the tropics. The storms join other storms and pick up speed. When the winds inside the storm reach 39 miles per hour, they are called tropical storms. A tropical storm forms when heat, wind, and moisture are combined. The water in the tropics is very warm, so the wind picks up heat when it moves across the water. Water vapor rises from the ocean to form thick rain clouds. The result is a white color of wind and rain that spins across the ocean. When the winds inside the storm reach 74 miles per hour, the storm is called a hurricane. A large hurricane can be hundreds of miles wide. Its wind can reach 155 miles per hour. The parts of a hurricane. If you look at a hurricane from space, you can see that it has two main parts. The center of the hurricane is called the eye. The eye is the calm part of the storm. There is a wind. There the wind is very weak. There are almost no clouds. Surrounding the eye is a circle of thick clouds. This is called a rain band because it is where heavy rain falls. The winds are strongest in the rain bands. When a hurricane gets to land, the wind and rain arrive first. They get stronger as the hurricane moves on the land. Then suddenly, the rain and wind stop, and the sun may shine. This is the eye of the storm. The weather stays calm while the eye is overhead. Then, just as suddenly, the wind and rain pick up again. Dangerous floods. One of the worst effects of a hurricane is a storm surge. A surge happens when the strong winds push large amounts of ocean waters towards the land at one time. When there is a storm surge, the sea is much higher than normal. As a result, the ocean floods the land. Storm surges are dangerous. People must stay away from the ocean during a hurricane. Hurricane Patrol. The National Hurricane Center tracks hurricanes. The aim is not to predict where and when the hurricane will hit land. The center gives two kinds of warnings. First, the center sends out the hurricane watch. This means that a hurricane would hit land within 36 hours. People are asked to listen to television and radio stations. Then the center may give a hurricane warning. This means that a hurricane can reach land within 24 hours. People may be asked to leave their houses. Thanks to hard-working scientists, many people can tell when storms are coming and move to safe places.